When you plant a seed or help a friend in need, you grow something greater than you or me. Your hands help create a family. When we persevere, it becomes quite clear we're growing as you find your own ambitions. Looking back on a rich tradition, we are strong, like the branches of a tree. We belong, we are all a family, reaching deep. Our roots will never die. Take a leap, and rise up to the sky. Our bond will guide us as we steer, no matter where we go from here. Anything we want to be, together we'll make history forever. Family. When you show you care, nothing can compare to kindness flowing from the heart. Each of us knowing that we're a part of community, something that will be inside us on every new horizon. Everyone relies on. We are strong, like the branches of a tree. We belong, we are all a family, reaching deep. Our roots will never die. Take a leap, and rise up to the sky. Our bond will guide us as we steer, no matter where we go from here. Anything we want to be, together we'll make history forever. Family. When you're on your own, when your past unknown, the truth is there inside you. We'll be there beside you when we sing this song. We show we belong forever in the shade of a mighty tree, all created by you and me. We are strong, like the branches of a tree. We belong, we are all a family, reaching deep. Our roots will never die. Take a leap, and rise up to the sky. Our bond will guide us as we steer, no matter where we go from here. Anything we want to be, together we'll make history forever. Family. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are family.